So let's see what are the offerings of this particular course. Now the start date has written over here. Starting from 11th of December going until 11th of Jan, everything from your PU2 would be covered. You will be also getting a full length test. This is just for rupees. A very big hello to my wonderful PU2 champions. I hope all of you are doing absolutely great, and I also hope now you're extra happy since we have launched the PU2 Target 90 Plus Crash Course for the year 2026. And while we launched it live on Saturday, we saw a lot of you asking us doubts, and we told just one thing, that there will be one video coming up to clear out, to sort out all your doubts. So this is that video. Make sure you watch it completely, and if at all you have any doubts still persisting, do not shy away from putting them down in the comment section. We'll take it on priority, we'll sort them down. Yes, so let's see what are the offerings of this particular course. So my dear children, you will get chapter wise one-shot lectures. There will be complete PYQ lectures as well. So you need not worry, your chapter is done and your previous year question practice is also done. Now if you talk about subject, you have PCMB along with Kannada and CS. So that is something which is unique, not everyone gives that. So Kannada and CS will also be there. So if at all you are someone who is facing difficulty in Kannada or computer science, it's sorted. Yes. And now the mode of lectures would be live plus recorded. If at all you talk about doubts, your doubts would be solved in live sessions only. So you need not worry. Okay, you will also get your lecture notes as well as PDF, so you don't need to go around anywhere for finding the notes or for making big notes out there. There will be notes given to you. There will be formula sheets also given to you, and you will have a dedicated WhatsApp channel where only you guys who have enrolled to this particular course would be there, so that you get all the important updates and notifications out there in that particular channel itself. And the best part of the story, you will get PU2 dedicated test series as well. Okay, so first of all, our aim is to clear up all the academic related thing. That means your portions for PU2. Later on, you will be receiving the test series as well, which you can start attempting and see how far have you come. Well, I'm pretty sure you will be pro by then. Yes. Okay, now the start date has written over here is 11th of December. So on 11th of December, my dear children, you would be having your live orientation. Post that, on 12th of December, you will be having your classes being started. And here is a glimpse of the schedule. The actual schedule would be given to you through email, via email or via WhatsApp community. It would be mailed. Do not worry about anything. Okay, you will get the schedule. So anyway, I'll tell you how it actually works. So daily at 4 p.m. you will be getting one chapter. One chapter. This chapter is one short lecture would be given, and this chapter's PYQ lecture would also be given to you at 4 p.m. Now at 6 p.m. you will be getting the second chapter, chapter 2. Okay. Actually, subject 1, subject 2 will be there. So suppose here it is mathematics, there it will be physics, and over here at 6 p.m. again you will get one short lecture for the chapter and also the PYQ lecture for the same chapter. Now, ma'am, I come late, when will I watch it? It will be given to you at 4. You can watch it at whatever time you want according to the time that you have. But we'll definitely tell you, do not take it forward to the next day. It might lead to so much confusion and build up of things. So while we give you this crash course, we are in a hope that you will follow it regularly, consistently. And that's how it is going to help you out. Listen, this is for those children who have no idea from where should I begin. Okay, what are the things which are super important at this particular days when I have so less time left? What should be my focus on? So it's for all of you guys. We have designed it in a way such that you can cover things. So we always say in general YouTube video also try to cover 2 subjects a day. So this is exactly how it is being put down for you. Now we believe with this particular plan, your entire PU2 syllabus would be completed by 11th of Jan. Starting from 11th of December going until 11th of Jan, everything from your PU2 would be covered. On every Tuesdays, my dear children, except for Christmas and New Year's, you are going to have your live doubt solving sessions. So please do not worry about anything. All your doubts which you have would be sorted. Subjects we have already discussed, it is PCMB, Kannada and Computer Science. And over here, once, as I said, your academic things are being covered, we are going to give you the PU2 Success Blueprint Test Series for all the subjects starting from 1st of Feb to 21st of Feb. So ma'am, there's a gap between 11th Jan and 1st of Feb. It's because you would be having your pre-board examination, some of you might be having your JEE examination, all those things would be happening, which is why we have kept that gap. After the gap, my dear children, starting from 1st of Feb, you would be receiving your test series. You can start practicing because anyway, everything would be covered until 11th of Jan. So everything is sorted. Yes? So I told you about the schedule. Now I'll read it out for you as well, just for your understanding. So suppose on 12th, 4 p.m. you will get one math chapter, that is integrals, one short video for that and the PYQ lecture. Now at 6 p.m. my dear children, another subject, for example physics over here, and you will get one shot and the PYQ lecture. This is how it has been planned, and on every Tuesdays, as you can see, Tuesday December 16, there will be what? A live doubt solving session as well. So whatever doubt that you have within all this time, probably you can just write it in a book and ask us in the live doubt clarification sessions. Okay? And my dear children, I'm telling you again, this particular schedule would be given to you. Please do not worry about anything. Now, going ahead, talking about the next set of days until Jan 11th, everything has been put on, but I explained it to you anyways. So we'll move forward and see the test series schedule. So, my dear children, on Feb, you would be, as I said, from the month of Feb, you would be having your test series. You would be having part test first. Okay, there will be 2 part tests given to you. For example, I have clubbed 5 or 6 chapters together and I have given you a test, full length, a full paper test out there from these particular chapters out there, right? So those would be covered here in part test 1 and part test 2, and then later on you will be also getting a full length test for each subject. Full length test means whatever topics I have chosen over here, all of it would be put together and you will be getting questions out there depending on the full syllabus. So again, that is also sorted. So we have to make sure that at least these set of chapters are being done. That's why we are giving you part tests initially, 2 part tests, so that all your important topics would be covered and you will have much more confidence. Okay, so as you can see, physics PU2 part test 1, chemistry part test 1, math part test 1, biology part test 1, Kannada part test 1 and CS part test 1. Again, there will be part test 2 from the remaining chapters, and then there will be a full length test, and this will be ended by the month of February. So you need not take it to the month of March, because we all know your exams are going to start in the month of March. Yes? Yes. Now, the pricing. What is the price for this particular course? It is just for rupees 999. So if at all you talk about the back-end things that are going to happen, the operations, the teachers, everything, all the things, obviously it goes up really high, but we know that at this particular point of time you need support from us in the form of knowledge and also financially. So this is just for rupees 999. And now, if at all you have all the doubts sorted, and if you think that, yes ma'am, I want the course, I'll tell you how you can go ahead and buy it or basically purchase it. So the link would be given in the description section. Go to the link, click on that, and over here something like this would be opening up. Please click on enroll now for 999. You might be clearly able to see this, PU2 Board Exams 2026. Now click on enroll now. And my dear children, you would have to fill in some details. Make sure while filling in these details, you put a valid email ID as well as a valid mobile number, which is there in your WhatsApp as well. Okay, valid email ID and valid mobile number. Please make sure you are putting that, and then only click on register. Now, my dear children, go ahead and pay the amount, that is 999, and that's all. You have already got the series out there, or you have already got the crash course. It's as simple as that, and there's only one promise that I need from you, all of you guys. We are giving you crash course, but you have to make sure that you follow it consistently and you give your 110% out there. Yes, so we are giving 120%. We are asking you to give at least 110% out there. Yes. So I hope together we are going to ace our board examination. Wishing you all the best, my dear children, and make sure you do it fast, because as we all know, your pre-boards are going to happen twice, this and that, so many things are going to take place. You might not have much days to prepare, if at all you are someone who is thinking that I'll do it tomorrow. So don't do that. Start from today itself, and this is your call for that. So wishing you all the best. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye, my dear children. Take care.